welcome to What's Cooking Mug Edition. My name is Miss Alexis and I work at the Asheboro Public Library in the children's room. Today we are going to be making loaded baked potato soup in a mug. If you haven't already washed your hands, you can pause the video here to do so. Let's go ahead and go over our ingredients. You will need 3/4 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of white potatoes cut up into small pieces, 2 tablespoons of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 tablespoon of cooked bacon, 1 tablespoon of onions chopped up, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, some salt and pepper to taste, 1/2 cup of chicken stock or vegetable stock, and 1/4 cup of milk. Let's start by cooking our potatoes. So into a bowl, I have some potatoes here that are cut up, and I'm going to take my water and pour it over top. Now we're going to pop this into the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes or until the potatoes are fork tender. Once the potatoes finish cooking, ask an adult to assist you with removing them from the microwave and draining off the remaining water. Now that our potatoes are cooked, we're going to add them into our microwave safe mug. Next, we're going to add in our bacon, our cheese, let me pour all that, and our cornstarch. You just want to mix that all together and make sure that the cornstarch is coating everything. The cornstarch is going to help and thicken up your soup. Okay, just like that. Next, we're going to add in our milk, our chicken stock or vegetable stock, whichever one you want to use. Oh, I almost forgot about our onions. I'm gonna go ahead and add those in there. Now our salt and pepper. And we're gonna mix that all together. Now we're going to pop this back into the microwave for 2.5 to 3 minutes or until it starts to thicken and everything is heated through. As it's cooking, make sure you keep a close eye on it to make sure that it doesn't overflow. Once your soup has finished cooking in the microwave, allow it to cool for a few minutes because it will be very hot. Now we're going to top it off with a little bit of cheese and some sour cream. Now all that's left to do is give it a taste. But so good. Oh my goodness. Who knew you can make potato soup in the microwave? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, join me every 2 weeks for a new episode of What's Cooking Mug Edition. Bye guys!